Hello everybody and welcome, my name is Marco and I'm Mr. Good Riddance. In today's tutorial we're gonna see how to control the creation of cells throughout our acrylic pours. Arm yourself with a funnel, a hair comb and some silicone oil, and now without any further ado, let's do this! So I'm gonna start this piece with the funnel pour technique. If you have not seen my tutorials on this technique, you will find them by clicking in the top right corner of this video. I show different effects that you can achieve and give a few useful tips. So here I'm just gonna speed up the process, but basically I'm pouring each color into each other, and now I'm just lifting the funnel as I twist the canvas around. So little by little I just lift and twist, lift and twist. Adding my colors again. So here I'm just doing this because this will make sure that the colors will spread out when creating cells. Again here the same lifting and twisting, so I can start creating a spiral effect that will serve for my galaxy. Here I'm just showing you some shots from below the funnel. These are from my second camera that I'm using to allow you to see what's happening under it, because usually you don't really see it. And now I'm just continuing to add all my colors until I have enough paint to cover the whole canvas. So every time we want to create something like a galaxy effect, we need to add some circular movement, and having my canvas lay on top of a cake turntable as I pour my paint definitely helps achieving that. So there you go, removing the funnel. Beautiful center. It's time to use the blowtorch just a little bit to see if any cells appear at all. I didn't add any silicone oil to the paint, and it's super important that you don't do it in order to achieve this result. We want to add the silicone oil manually to create the cells later on. Adding some gray will facilitate the spread, and now I'll push and just block it straight away. I didn't want it to spread any further, so I think I could have added a bit less paint, but no time to cry on spilled milk. I'll just use some of the paint to fill up this side of the canvas. Now I'll take my comb and I'll start soaking it in a little puddle of silicone oil that I prepared on a little plate outside of the camera view. Here you can see that as I touch the surface with my silicone oil soaked comb, cells start to appear where the contact happened. So from now on, it's all about deciding where you want the cells to pop up. My idea for this painting was to have a center of the galaxy with planets floating around it, and I think that the spiral effect caused by the funnel pour, as well as having cells become bigger the further they go from the center, really helped adding a sense of movement to this piece. So as you can see, we are starting to mix techniques to obtain much more refined results than the first pores we have covered a few weeks ago. I will be posting 2 more episodes about creating cells using hair combs this week, so please consider subscribing to my channel if you are finding these videos useful. Again, if you like this tutorial, please give it a like and leave a comment. For now, I thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.